Hey, this is Blake from Exceptionless, and I wanted to give you a weekly update for June 5th, 2017. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been actually working on both Exceptionless and another project of ours called Codesmith Generator. And one of the tasks for Codesmith that I did is I updated our implementation of Exceptionless to the latest major version, um, which, as you can see, like we were specifically keeping it on the old version for for quite some time, basically because we wanted to ensure that we could support multiple major versions and dog food it, and ensure everything's working properly. We decided to upgrade it to the latest major version. It went really smoothly, but upon looking at the code and how things have changed over time, I feel like we were going to refactor some of this code to take advantage of plugins. So you can see we are overriding, or we're hooking up to the on-submitting event handler, and we're doing some code to cancel out based on the stack trace. So I'd like to move this into a plugin, and also we're always setting the user description and email address, and that could be automatically populated on startup and doing less work. So I want to do that. Another change that I saw that we should make is, since this is deployed, we should also we're probably going to be creating our own Exceptionalist client instance instead of using the default instance, just because there might be other Visual Studio integrations in this specific product that might be using Exceptionalist, and we want to be isolated from that. So I just kind of wanted to give some quick thoughts that I had, and share my experience with upgrading our commercial WPF app to the latest version of Exceptionalist. So moving on. We had we made some improvements to the Siri Log Sync and released an update for that. We got feedback that there was an issue when you upgraded to the latest version of Exceptionalist, like it just wouldn't update. So I got rid of our Project JSON support and upgraded us to the latest version of Visual Studio 2017 with the new project format, and rebuilt the NuGet packages, and that seemed to do the trick in the new spec file that was generated. So if you're interested, you can take a look at the Siri Log Sync repo for Exceptionless. It was a pretty easy change. Next, we had, as we talked about previously, we split all the Foundatio implementations into separate repositories. So one of the things that we or was contributed this week was a pull request that fixed deserialization for the Redis implementation, which made it work with binary serialization. So yeah, so we're gonna get this deployed here shortly. We greatly appreciate any pull requests that you guys contribute. So if you guys have any feedback, please let us know.